Boiler's at 130 Fahrenheit. Polar furnace. Got an empty Coca-Cola can. Going to throw it in for the night. Just to show you how little heat accumulates in the firebox. Check it tomorrow. Back at the polar furnace. Just was here yesterday throwing a few cans in the fire to show it's all burnt down. Can, paint still on. Right at the coal bed too. So, sure it's warm in there. Definitely not that warm when your water jacket's cooled on the outside, surrounded by curtains. So to anyone that says there's thermal expansion, go dream more.